Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another video. In today's video, we're going to create a holiday makeup look. Featuring my new lash style kitten. It looks pretty fancy, but you're gonna see in the video that it's very simple, very easy. If you are interested in checking my lashes out, I'll be linking my website in the description below. I'm not sure what I want to create today. Let's just get started and see what we come up with. I'm gonna fill in my brows off camera and then I'll be right back. The brows are done. I feel like this one might be a little bit thicker. I don't like my eyebrows to be super squared, so I usually just go in with that same brush and kind of take off the top just a little bit. Moving on to the eyes. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla to prep my eyes. I'm so excited for y'all to see the lashes I'm going to be wearing today. So the lash style is a bit more dramatic, which is why I'm doing a more dramatic eye look. And so I'm just using my finger to blend out the concealer. I'm going to be using the Mario palette, Mascara Mattes, this brown. I know my eye looks crazy right now. Ugh, I already love this color. I love warm browns. Those are my favorites. They also complement olive skin tones so well. What is everyone's 2021? Wait, no. What is your 2022 New Year's resolution? I've already started thinking about my New Year's resolution. I kind of want to start now. I have so many things I want to do next year. I definitely want to keep uploading YouTube videos. We'll see how that goes, but I do want to definitely upload a little more. So what I'm doing here is I'm going in with my M5.8. This is a Morphe brush, and I'm using that same shade all over the eyelid. And I'm going in a little higher because this is my transition shade. This is my Morphe M575. This is what I'm using to blend everything out and make sure that there's no harsh lines. I want to keep it simple on the eyeshadow and then kind of go in with either some glitter or a graphic winged liner or something. I don't know. Going with this one. And then I'm using my Morphe M514. This brown is just a tad bit darker than the other one. It's the perfect brown. So after I applied that color, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe 576 and blend those shades out. Going in with my MAC 217, my favorite. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this and then a little bit of this. Now, if I were to just keep it with browns, I would definitely do a red lip, but I'm not. We're gonna add some sort of glitter, I don't know. Kind of want to do, that's lame. If I put glitter all over my lid, that'd be too much. I'm gonna go in with this black shade here, and I'm gonna start creating a winged liner effect. I'm a little scared to go in with the black. It might be a little intense, but we'll see. I kind of want to smoke out my eyeliner, so we're just going to use eyeshadow and then smoke it out really well, and then just add a little bit of gold glitter on top. And now I'm gonna go in with the brush. I'm gonna use this Morphe M507. It's pretty tiny. And then I'm gonna go in with the black and then smoke it out a little bit more. I'm gonna do this one and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and I'm going to clean up my wing. I'm gonna do this one a little bit longer, but I'm going to spray my angled brush and then go in with the eyeshadow so it can be a little more intense. I don't know what I'm doing. I literally did not know what to come up with, so it's kind of like a gold liner on the lid. I'm going to use the Too Faced glitter glue and I'm gonna use this tiny brush. The glitter I'm using is from NYX. It's like a loose glitter. I'm just going to apply it very carefully. Let's use this brush again to go back in with the black one last time, in case any glitter fell on top of my eyeliner, eyeshadow, whatever. My skin is all ready to go. I'm just gonna go in with the Dream Eye Cream from Youth to the People. Then just apply this underneath the eye. I did apply already moisturizer, so I'm gonna go in straight in with my primer. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So for foundation, I'm gonna try the Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD Foundation Stick. What? I'm just spraying my It's okay. So I've tried this foundation in the past. It definitely, I feel like it oxidizes. For any foundation, I always recommend to go in with the brush first and then go in with your sponge to blend. Vamos a difuminar el base. With my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, I'm going to apply this in the back of my hand and then use this shade to contour. This is the M517. I'm going to smoke out my under eye with this Lancome black eyeliner, but you can use whatever eyeliner. To add a little bit of bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is the Morphe M437. Okay, so now for the star of the show, I do have a new lash style that will be available right after this video goes live. Decided to name it Kitten, and it's the same exact style as Kitty. The only difference is that Kitten is way shorter in length, which makes it a lot more fluffier and wispy. Make sure to check out our Instagram page at Lizbae Lashes. We are having a 12 days of Christmas sale / promotion going on. So be sure to check that out to see what is our daily sale or promotion. You can also check out the description box for more information. Here for the lipstick, I used the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice lipstick as well as a brown lip liner. Last step is always to add setting spray, and that is pretty much all for this video. As always, I will link everything down below and mention everything and all the products that I've used. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, thank you so much for watching.